Hello everybody, today we are going to try out my new helmet fan. Alright, it looks kind of dopey, but I don't care. If it makes things work, then it makes things work, and that's all I want is to be effective. So ignore how shittily it's attached to the power source right now. That will change, especially when I have to put a multicam cover over it and other things. That's still a work in progress. But the most important part is that it works. So, first test is a control test. The fan will be off, goggles will be on. I'm gonna run, do stupid things until it fogs. Then I'll put the camera back on, show you the fog, and then I will do it all again and see how long it takes for the fan on 4 volts to kick it. All right, you can see me, but I can't see you. So, let's see how 7.4 does. How are you, Switch? I'm not accustomed to you yet. Alright, fan's on. Top's already starting to unfog, but you can't penetrate the goggle. Oh, we can feel it. Might not have the juice that I need, but it is cleaning them. And I can see. Now, I'm gonna keep the fan on. I'm gonna do some more stupid shit. So I've learned something. The distance, might be able to see it, maybe, I don't know, if I block out the sun a little bit. Nah, maybe. The distance between the vent of my helmet and goggles is too great. But you can see, if I hold my goggles right where it is, instant defogging. Like, instantaneous defogging. So, that might be my in-game solution. Instead of wiping, I face a wall, hold them there for 5 seconds, let them snap back, and go back to shooting. Alright, so some of you have been asking, well, how does it work? I'll show you. Battery wired into a switch, which looked like this before I made the casing to go around it, right? My next iteration might be a little smaller. I just didn't want to risk breaking things at that scale. Next, I've got your fan piece here, holds it, mounting piece, which is siliconed on because without the hole there wasn't a lot of, meat to hook the bolts into. Then you got your fan itself, which is currently set to its pumping air in as opposed to out right now. I was going to try both ways. This way I'm thinking is the best way, and I'll explain why a little later. And my BB deflector, which is really important because that fan will not take a hit from a BB without blowing up into little tiny pieces. So all you really see is this. And you're thinking, well, those big holes where you had to put the bolts through, isn't that a ginormous weak spot? Well, my friend, I introduced to you the 6mm. Don't go in. This is only made of PLA though, so I expect it's probably going to be blown up after a few hits anyway. But the meat and potatoes is actually this thing right there, which is a foam vent. Just a couple layered pieces of foam and silicone back there, and with a hole cut in it that has it vent out to this very particular spot. So that was the 7.4. Here is the 11.1, and here's the dilemma of using the 11.1. Listen close. Is that a jet engine or is that your helmet? Yeah, it puts out a lot. Stay. But I can feel the difference, and if I were to be able to show you, you would also feel the difference. But the problem of the actual using it thing, let go, really? How did that just let go, motherfucker? It's fucking magic. Hold on, let me just undo the calamity. When you wear your goggles, they sit right there. Right there. right there. Can you see the dilemma? And what I do is I pull them out and I put them in front of that wonderful exhaust, and then I snap them back, and it's fine. But it'd be useless running them 24/7 because it ain't gonna do you much good. So, but the thing is that when I need the quick defog, all I gotta do is hold my lenses out, and it works. I don't have to wait for a wind or breeze, or fan them in front of my face with my hands, or wipe them down. I can just pull them in front, and fog gone in 12 seconds. That's what I'm gonna have to do. There you have it. The defogging helmet. It looks ridiculous, but it works. Sort of. Now I just gotta paint that fucking white bullshit and find my multicam cover!